How to transfer notes from an old iPhone to new iPhone. First, go to the settings button and tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on your Apple ID or Apple name to toggle it on. Then go ahead and tap on the iCloud. Then here where you see option that says photos and other, tap on note. Once tap on note, make sure that the sync this is turned on. Where you see sync this iPhone, make sure it's turned on. If it's not on, turn it on your own. Then go back again to the first page where you see backup iCloud. Tap on it and make sure that the iCloud backup is turned on. Then tap on this backup now button to back up your note on your iCloud. Now that I've done this, then you are good to go. Now go to the second iPhone. I made a new iPhone that you want to transfer your notes from the old iPhone to the new iPhone. So, yeah, then tap on the settings button. Once tap on the settings button, make sure you log in to the new iPhone with the same email address you saw on the old iPhone. Then tap on it. Once tap on it, then scroll up again until you get to the iCloud button. Tap on it. Once tap on iCloud button, then make sure that the backup is turned on. Then go ahead and turn on the note again and wait for a few seconds. The note will come swap, so you'll be able to have all the notes on your old iPhone in your new iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip, if you not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.